SUYENZA. I think it ligwijo lelo umuntu wamagwijo ke yayingubravo lero umuntu wamagwijo. I think SUYENZA is a gwijo of some sort. Let's hear uthini uSimo. It's already on 5K then. That's crazy. There's a lot of support most people. I don't know why people are like 5K people is a lot of people. 5K people is a lot of people, Chad. I don't like.
When a car phone lit.
The Vix, shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up, gang. Vix, shut the fuck up, gang. Cause who the fuck wants to hear anything from you, Chad? For real. Vix, shut the fuck up, gang. Nobody wants. Hennigan, shut the fuck up, gang. Shut the fuck up, gang. No, nobody wants to hear shit from you.
Sikhule ndlala backyard fike ngicole ngende phila yo akhonde special yena itafile semanzi mana akhonde thetwa stesa wina ezinje ngikhule nazo akhonde shiwa kamele sihle nomihle ntenzo bathengela ilizwe ngeke nesako sendlini mina ezimnandi maziphindwe
sihlale yipi ngothini if bathengela ilizwe usihle sihlale ebithini and imini ezimnandi masingaphindwa once imini ezimnandi masingaphindwa. I just want to disagree with you, otherwise nami ndifuna masiphindwe nami ndiyayifuna loo nto leyo.
Leva ushaka speed empahla emdaka machiswe olu baby.
Okay, I can take that.
Ushaka vuza ipunze izolo makhutshwe ichithwe ulavu lina nafike emtholo lina nakhilwe sozibone abejengami ringa njengama sizinantshintshe ebaleni tekungodise erangeni ndifika nje kunyuma osiye big everywhere.
I love that. Yo, I can't get used to that shit. That yo, I can't get used to that.
It's the love Santa jambana tatsiwe team. SUYENZA I twas, I born, Rasham they change, Sister, no Marie, comes on the pin, baseline, yeah, Presidents and Thanos ring about this zombie fanatic. What would be kinda in I'm Fred Bejon Latin, 12 bitch, so last week.
SimulationRxps, I don't know. Okay, check. SimulationRxps, I don't know like if we can be able to combine the older generation and the new generation in one band. So hlulekele kaninzi to combine ama 80 nama 90. So hluleka kaninzi ukombana ama 90 nama 8 yona ama 90 nama. Okay, let me start over, chat, so that is abstracted because they are put down. SimulationRxps, bafethu, let's talk about the music. I don't know if we can be able to combine ama 80 nama 90. I don't know if we can be able to combine ama 90 nama 2000. There's always been a difference. There's always been a commotion. Ama 90 ngoko ayisengabantwana bebatsha, they've mocked ama 80. It's their 10 ngoko bamokwa ngama 2000. It's gonna happen to ama 2000 as well. Yeah, they're gonna get mocked by ama 2010. It's already happening ngoku already kuthi ama 2000 ngama early. Sohlulwa already ama early 2000. Sosuthi amanye ama 2000 ngama early 2000. Asifuna sasitoko sama early. It's crazy out there. So I don't know with the music that, because Umshida is doing a kwaito hip hop. You know what I'm saying? The latest shit combined with the older version. So and he asking about the older generation, do they understand what he's trying to do? And the new generation, do they understand what Simulation is trying to do? Because he's not doing kwaito. No, he's not doing hip hop. No, he's doing the best of both worlds, but are we ready to hear that? You know what I'm saying? Can he go far with that? You get what I'm saying? And you're asking, that is gonna be left as a question mark because I don't have all the answers, Chad. Is there space for such? You get what I mean? Because Kid X is there. He tried it. But Kid X, he tried it at the prime of this sound, where KO was doing it. Karakara, this and that. He tried it at its prime. But Tina, are we willing to adjust from that? Because that's what he's doing, Chad. Can we be able to do that? I'm not gonna give you the answers. I'm just gonna leave it as a question mark.
This week, online never long go swim. Try to come fuck your sleep. Location part of the night. Try see him on again for a key. SUYENZA barriers, SUYENZA barriers, SUYENZA barriers. I'm not. SUYENZA barriers, SUYENZA barriers, SUYENZA barriers. I'm not.
Yo, did bro just did this nigga just pull us a sample, yo, and then didn't use it? What the fuck is wrong with this nigga? Did he just pull us and get nobody say and then we're like, and then he just, what? Nah, nigga, what the fuck? What are you doing, nigga? What is this? What are you doing?